how to reorder tools in Game Booster on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on advanced features. After that, we then scroll down and tap on Game Booster settings. Now in here, we're going to scroll down and tap on reorder tools. In here, simply touch on one of the items and drag it up or down like this. So touch and hold. Hold it for a second or two until you see that blue border around the item, and then you can drag it up or down. Again, touch and hold on the item. Once you see a blue selection, now you can drag the item up or down to position into a new order. And that's it. So here we go, touch booster, then block edge panel. So if we go back to our game, and if I open up the game panel, here we have now reordered touch booster, block edge panel, then touch protection. So you can reorder the tools in here. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.